Today, we're exploring the top 10 factory machinery and manufacturers from 1900 to 2000. Ford's Model T assembly line introduced mass production in the early 1900s. General Electric's electric motor in the 1920s improved efficiency across industries. Caterpillar's bulldozers in the 1930s dominated construction. IBM's mainframe computers in the 1950s automated complex calculations. Fanuc's industrial robots in the 1960s led the way in robotic technology. Bosch's CNC machines in the 1970s enabled high-precision machining. Siemens' programmable logic controllers in the 1980s revolutionized industrial automation. Microsoft's Windows NT in the 1990s improved factory productivity. Hewcar Robotics' articulated robots in the late 1990s offered versatile automation solutions. Finally, 3D printing technology emerged at the turn of the millennium, enabling rapid prototyping and custom manufacturing. These innovations show manufacturing technologies over the past century. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.